Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi dengan Ahmad Contek. Kalau tidak bisa ya, dicontek saja. Tips untuk menguasai materi praktikum yang saya sajikan adalah dengan menconteknya, mempelajari berulang-ulang, serta jangan lupa untuk mengembangkannya. Oh ya, jangan heran apabila warna suaranya berubah, karena video selanjutnya akan dihantarkan dalam bahasa Inggris. Selamat menyimak. In this learning video, I will explain the installation steps of the phpMyAdmin application, which is presented in the first part. Then the second presentation will explain the installation steps of the Visual Studio Code application. For that, let's follow the first material of this section. From your computer's desktop, activate the Laragon system. Double-click the icon. Press the Start All button to activate the Apache server and MySQL database system. Place the pointer in the center of the Laragon window. Right-click and select the MySQL menu, phpMyAdmin. If phpMyAdmin is not installed in Laragon, we will be directed to the Laragon forum. This forum was created for the Laragon user community, serving as a place for Laragon users to discuss, share information, and get help. Just exit this forum. Place the pointer back in the center of the Laragon window. Right-click and select the tools. Quick Add menu. Attention! Laragon provides a list of applications that can be installed on it. Some applications have an asterisk in front of their name. This indicates that some applications cannot be installed. To install them, you must click on the configuration menu. Laragon opens the packages.conf file in the USR folder with the Notepad editor or any other editor installed in Laragon. To install phpMyAdmin, you can simply remove this asterisk or star symbol. Then resave the file changes, but I didn't do that because I wanted to use the latest version of phpMyAdmin. Here, I provide tips to get the latest phpMyAdmin version and install it on Laragon. Just log in to the phpMyAdmin website via phpMyAdmin.net. From this page, click the Download 521 button, which is the latest phpMySQL version. Using the IDM Ethernet Download Manager utility program, we simply copy the phpMyAdmin URL. Return to the screen or the editor window. Type phpMyAdmin followed by an equal sign and the URL of the latest version of phpMyAdmin. Resave and close the editor window. Now install phpMyAdmin. Wait, the installation process is running. To log into the MySQL database system, fill in the username line with root, ROOT, and leave it blank for password. Then click the login button. Now we are logged into the MySQL database system. Exit the MySQL database system and return to Laragon. We can now log into the MySQL database system through Laragon. Thus marked the learning video of phpMySQL installation in Laragon. Let's continue this video lesson with the steps to install Visual Studio Code on Laragon. From this display, it can be seen that Visual Studio Code is not visible in the Tools menu list. This indicates that this Tools menu has not been installed. To install the required application or tool, enter the configuration file. In this file, the Visual Studio Code application is still marked with an asterisk. You just need to remove the asterisk so that the application can be installed. But in this learning video, we will install the latest version of Visual Studio Code. For this reason, via an internet search engine, go to the Visual Studio Code site with URL code .visualstudio.com. On this page, just click this download button. Visual Studio provides several versions for various operating systems. Just choose the Visual Studio Code installer, which is still in zip format. For the Windows operating system, click this x64 link. I still use the IDM Internet Download Manager utility. And just copy the Visual Studio Coder installer URL from this line. Just close the IDM utility and exit the Visual Studio page. Re-enter this editor screen. Insert it below the old installer row. Write the code text followed by an equal sign and add the URL you copied earlier. Resave the configuration file changes. Return to Laragon. Now install Visual Studio Code with the latest version. Wait, the installation process is in progress. After completing the installation, try running the Visual Studio Code. If you have done the installation correctly, the results will look like this. That's the installation of Visual Studio Code. Hopefully this learning video is useful and a reference for you. Thank you.
Demikian video pembelajaran ini, semoga dapat membantu Anda dan bisa dijadikan sebagai bahan referensi. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.